Hello, this video was created by Michele, an information architect at BMC Software, and narrated by a computer-generated voice. This video shows how Smart Recorder searches for information to help you work on a ticket. In Smart Recorder, as you start the call, you record the customer's name. To search for the customer, type the @ symbol, followed by the customer's name. The @ symbol is an accelerator. After you type the @ symbol, Smart Recorder performs a database search for matching people and assets. If there are multiple companies, you can restrict your search to a specific company. To specify the company, type the # symbol, followed by the company name. The # symbol is another accelerator. After you specify a company, all searches are within the context of that company, until you specify a different company. As you use Smart Recorder to create a record, it displays related knowledge articles, tickets, and templates. Why did Smart Recorder pick these knowledge articles and tickets? Smart Recorder performs a full-text search of the terms that you entered in the description against the FTS index fields for the ticket and knowledge forms. The terms that find a smaller number of records are considered more relevant than those terms that find a larger number of records. The number of times a search term appears in a record increases the score for that record. Records with shorter text are considered more relevant than records with longer text. Some fields, such as the title, are ranked higher than other fields. Knowledge articles that are viewed or linked frequently might be ranked higher than other articles. Let's return to the search. Why did Smart Recorder pick these templates? Smart Recorder performs a full-text search of the terms that you entered against the FTS index fields for incident templates, work order templates, and service request definitions. The incident template results that you see depend on whether you have access to a templates authoring company, and whether you are a member of the templates authoring support group. SRD results are restricted to the SRDs to which the customer is entitled. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, click subscribe.